Take out the device and all the accessories. Take out the screws and install the white rack. Install the big white rack. Use a screwdriver to screw up. There are 2 spare fuses to replace the broken ones in the device. Use a screwdriver to pry open the position of the fuse. When the fuse in the device is broken, replace it with the spare fuse. There are big and small white rubber rings for the spare ones on the filter. Replace with the broken ones if any. Remove the filter and you will see a small rubber ring on it. Replace it if you need. Unscrew the filter. You will see a big rubber ring. Replace it if you need. Insert the filter in the correct direction to ensure the proper function. There is a black spare rubber ring for the vacuum off handle. When vacuum off handle has no section because of the rubber ring, replace it before operation. Connect the vacuum off handle. Insert connecting wire to the socket. Connect the 40,000 handle. Insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect eye off handle. Insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the facial off handle. Insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the body off handle. Insert connecting wire and tighten it. Put the connected handles on the rack in order. Connect the power cord. Check to ensure all the handles are installed. Tap the 40,000. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to operate at a place for around 20 minutes. Energy range is 1 to 9. It is advised to be 3 to 6. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Start. A mode is a constant mode, suitable for those with thick fat, excess fat, and need to lose weight. B mode is intermittent mode, suitable for those who want body shaping and small area treatment. Apply gel for ultrasound to the operation area even before the operation. Please note, ensure the customer carries no metal or jewelry on body before operation. It cannot be applied to those with metal implanted or applied near the heart or bones. Tap vacuum RF. Working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. RF energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Section time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 7. The time is the section time in the section and the release process. The longer the time is, the longer the section will be. Please note, the section time is advised to be longer than the release time. Release time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 5. The time is the release time in the section and the release process. The longer the time is, the longer the interval is. When the release time is 0, it is the constant section mode. Select the section level according to your comfort level. Twist the counterclockwise to reduce the section. Twist it clockwise to increase it. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with essence oil before vacuum off operation. Avoid anything dense to block the flow. Tap body RF. Working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. Energy is advised to be 3 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel before operation. Tap Facial RF. Working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. Energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or facial essence before operation. Tap the IRF. Working time is advised to be around 15 minutes. Energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or eye essence before operation.